All right, we are live right now, and we're just a little bit later than usual. Once again, lovely time difference. Oh boy! Welcome back to the stream. I see somebody commented here. It's Tanisha. Welcome to the stream. I believe the market is going to close in about 19 minutes from now, which is kind of awkward because considering the fact that I thought I would be streaming in 20 minutes from now, which is it's a little embarrassing, but it's whatever. What's up? Welcome back. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I'm super late. I've been eating my dinner, actually, so super bad. But yeah, in 19 minutes, the market is going to close. I thought it would be in 1 hour and 19 minutes. Forgot that once again. Yeah, I think in about 5 more days, we're not going to have this problem anymore. All right, let's see. Do you think the market is going to go down? I think that the market is... I don't know. I think it looks pretty good here on the MACD at least. Looks like it's going to cross again. If Jerome Powell is not going to be announcing a taper tomorrow, then I think the markets are going to go up every single day for the next 2 months. So everything is depending on the taper. Look at that. Seems like nothing really happened with Tesla. It's sitting very close to all-time highs. Might we see the all-time highs again? Tesla is heading up 1188.5. It is heading up very fast, and so is Lucid. Look at that. Huge rebound that we're seeing right now. NASDAQ overall is going up about 0.5%. Oh my, look at that. Palantir down 2.7%. Apple is up 0.9%. Although Apple was sitting at 151.5, but it came back down about 1%. Microsoft's hitting all-time highs back to back. Facebook sitting at 327. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why Tesla's sitting at 1186 necessarily. Like after the negative news, with they don't have any contract with Hertz, at least not yet. And let's be honest, who's buying this? Like, who's buying this dip? I'm really curious. Who's buying Tesla at 1100? Let's see, who bought this dip, or where did people buy this dip? So at 1150, suddenly people were like, you know what? Tesla's actually quite cheap at 1150, and they pushed it up about 2.6%. I'm actually a little bit interested in Uber right now. I think I'm gonna buy some Uber. It's sitting at 42.8. I like the growth trajectory for the company. I think it's a quite interesting opportunity. There's a gap right below, though. So, remember, it fell down to like 38. It's like up about 10% or 12%. No, 13 percentage points. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I love you, Garrett, but if you had a regular job, you would have been fired. Yeah, that is true. No, I'm kidding. No, the thing is, this whole time difference thing, like the time zone, I have to always be aware of the fact that most people that are watching me are from a different time zone. And then on top of that, I have to be aware with the fact that whenever the time goes backwards in the Netherlands, the same thing doesn't happen in the US. I think in about 5 days in the US, the time is going to go backwards or forwards. I think it's forwards. It's really complicated, actually. So yes, I have to be aware of this. And sometimes I had an emergency for a brief moment. One of my clients actually had to help somebody out, and that took a lot of time. And at some point, I was unaware of the fact that time has gone an hour backward versus the US. And so then I'm like, all right, so I'm going to be going live in 30 minutes from now, where in reality, in 30 minutes from now, the stock market is going to be closed. So that was the predicament that I was sitting in. I've traveled to Holland during the time change. It is, it can be quite tough. Spring forward and fall backward. Yeah, I like Uber. It could fall all the way to 40 if the taper happens. But I like it. I mean, I wouldn't mind buying at 42. I would love to buy it at 40. That would be very nice. Robinhood is also looking interesting. It is down about 0.5%. Yeah, most of the selling, or most of that negative income, is probably because of the IPO and the shareholder compensations that were given out. What is happening with Tesla? It is, look how many, okay, so this is so crazy. Look how many green candles, right? Let's just count them. This is the 4-hour chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have a red candle. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So out of these 16 candles, 15 of them have been green. How often do we get this? Not so very often, I'll tell you that. It's a thing that hasn't really happened since when? The longest time, right? It's a very unique thing that's happening here with Tesla stock. I think it's part of that whole gamma squeeze that's been happening. So yeah. One sec. I want to actually look up this company right here, Chegg. Look at this. Look how much it went down. 48%. Huge downturn on Chegg. Or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Shay? Something like that. Yeah, 48% downturn on this company right here. It's an education company, I believe. E-education and that kind of stuff in the US. And it's down a lot. It's interesting. From top to bottom, it's down so much. 71%. Actually, more than that. Yeah, it's slowing down in growth. I was looking at this previously, kind of trying to think of it a little bit like, is it a buy or not? Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily buy this stock, but definitely interesting. Let's see. Oh, yeah, UiPath is going flat. SoFi is not really doing anything. Netlist is down 12%. That is painful. Wow, 12% in one go. Sitting at $7 on earnings. Yeah, they've got a lot of expenditures with their whole the lawsuits that are going on. They have to hire extra people. So yeah, I think Netlist is gonna be fine. They're gonna be fine. Let's see. Virgin Galactic is sitting at 19.5. It is finally starting to move. I am surprised at how long Robinhood could stay at like 34. It is impressive. Very impressive. We have 10 more minutes, by the way, until the market is going to close. Make sure you smash that like button before the market is going to close. I'm just looking at the markets here right before the taper. Looks like the NASDAQ has just been on a roll. Look at this. We're up 11.1% since the bottom at the beginning of October, 4th of October. In a month, we've gone up about 11%, which is quite a lofty amount. And we're hitting all-time highs. I think we're about to hit 16K. The S&P is also up about 0.3%. Yeah, I think we hit another all-time high. Dow Jones is hitting all-time highs, sitting at 36,000, and the Russell is not quite there yet, but we're getting there. It is breaking through the this whole triangle that we had going on. The Hang Seng Index is going down slightly. VIX is going up. Oh no, sorry, VIX is going down. The dollar is going up. The 10-year is going down. Look at that. 10-year is going down right before the tapering, right before and on the tapering, probably. Let's see. The Roth Capital still has net lists at between $6 and $10. Okay, cool. What is going on with PayPal? I think PayPal is just a little bearish right now. Down about a percentage point. I think they have no guidance. That's the problem. So I think if earnings are good, it could bounce up quite heavily. But that's it, right? So we need to see earnings to be good. They need to give proper guidance. If it's not good, then we're going to break through this support, because this is a support zone around 225 to 230. Yeah, next support is going to be lower $200. So around here. Oh wow, look at that. Tesla's falling down. Boo-hoo. I mean, seriously, like, who's buying at these prices? Let's be honest, $1,180 per share. Are you kidding me? This stock was trading at like $700 like a month ago or something. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla just sells off 10% without anybody budging an eye. It's just a matter of time. Let's see. Oh man. Yeah, I just had my dinner, by the way. That's why I'm a little. I get a little tired after dinner usually. Let's check the Federal Reserve's calendar for tomorrow. We have 7 more minutes, by the way, until the market is going to close. Just to keep that in there. Right. Okay, so the FOMC meeting is going to be tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Jerome Powell is going to give a press conference. And I think it's going to be super crucial to watch, because this press conference could essentially be, it could kill the rally of the markets if they decide to taper. Or if they do not taper, then we're going to see stocks rally like we have not seen before. So, at least that is my expectation right now. Who knows what happens, right? But Tesla's just failing to fall, really. It's only down 3%. Let's see. Lucid is coming back up, sitting at 35. Interesting. Should it not already be priced in the tapering? You cannot price in the tapering. Trust me. That doesn't happen. You cannot price it in. It doesn't happen. Although, emotionally speaking, I want to say that it's priced in to make myself feel good, right? Because I'm holding stocks. It makes me feel really good when I think that the tapering is priced in. But it's not priced in. If the money printer stops, it's very bad for the markets. It's very bad. So I don't think it's priced in. In fact, I think we're probably overshooting here, right? We're most likely overestimating what our market is capable of, which is why we're seeing all-time highs right now, back to back to back to back, which is why the CNN Fear and Greed Index is indicating that the majority of traders and investors and institutions and hedge funds are extremely greedy right now. So who knows? Who knows what happens when the taper happens, right? Is it priced in? I do not think so. But hey, I mean, I've been surprised in this market several times. So it could be wrong. But I know one thing. The Fear and Greed Index has been pretty darn accurate. At least as of recently. And it's still sitting at extreme greed right now, so. All right. Institutions are buying PayPal like crazy. I don't know about that one. Let's see. Sorry, once again, I just had my dinner. And, yeah, I should probably set an alarm every single time that I have to stream. Because I notice I'm having a bit of a difficult time knowing when to stream. Because of the time going backward for the winter. This won't be a problem in like 5 days from now, but this is really sloppy of me not being able to stream whenever. Let's see. Gara claiming up 10,000. What a liar! When you're wrong, 14 dies. I made like 15K. I made way more than 10K. So you're the one lying, by the way. Because I shorted. Let me just quickly. Oh, holy moly. Markets are closing. Yeah, this person is referring to my Tesla short. Yeah, so I had a long position right here, which I closed 75% of my long position in that zone. And I had 25% of the long position open, and I didn't close it. Right? And then the stock went up, and I decided to short in this zone, right? I added more to my shorts, so I got a higher average. At some point in this zone, I was like, okay, I'm out of here. I got half of my position out of there. I think in this zone, I sold my long positions, which then refinanced my losses that I had for the short, which was quite big. Then I remember starting to short again in this range, all the way up to 1220. Just every single time that Tesla stock went up, I added more to my short. Like significant amounts. And so essentially making my average very high. And in some positions that I had, especially in the upper ranges, I took the maximum amount of leverage that I could be taking. And on those moves, if I could show you, markets are closed, by the way. Markets are closed right now. On every downturn that we've had, I took profits because I had very 10 times, 5 times leverage. So every push that we had to the downside took some profits. I did the same thing with Lucid. I took profits here. Added a tiny amount of shorts back, but nothing really relevant. So stop showing the technical shot. Come on, man. I'm gonna mute you. Sorry, get out of here. That is just really that's just really annoying. All right, so 1172 on Tesla, and Lucid hit 35.16, which is interesting. I might short Lucid again if it goes up. If it fills the gap to 36.5, I'll short Lucid. And Tesla, I think I will not be shorting it for now. I've got some positions that I'm green on right now, but I'm waiting for that taper to hit. And if it doesn't hit, then it's whatever, but... you're saying the tapering is not priced in, but you say that the EV tax credits are priced into Tesla. I have no idea. And machines, I don't know who Mechin? Is that like a politician or something? Says he may not sign the infrastructure bill. You're too tired. Yeah, I had my dinner like 10 minutes ago. Sorry for that. When is DIDI going to report earnings? Yeah, I don't know, actually. I had the news a couple weeks ago from the Bloomberg terminal. Somebody sent me a screenshot. I can't find anything on it. Again, it's really strange. I actually went to their website. I think even on their website, you can't find anything on it. Investor Relations DIDI. No, nothing. So maybe they're reporting it in China or something. Because I can't find any announcement right now as we speak. Let's check the news. No, nothing yet. It would be great if they actually report it, though. That would be awesome. Yeah, I think we hit 28,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for 28,000 subscribers. That is amazing. That's an amazing milestone. We've been sitting at 27,800-ish for a long time. The major reason being is because, for the most part, I've been streaming only and not making videos. Although recently I've been mostly streaming as well. But I've made quite a bit of videos the past month, which is nice. And you can see how the subscriber count goes up when I make videos. But we'll be making more videos in the coming weeks. Although I've been very focused on Patreon. I've been very focused on the website, making it a little bit more difficult for me to as productive for the videos. Just looking at the live chat. Yeah, full day of streaming tomorrow. Yeah. We're going to do a full day of streaming tomorrow. We're going to do the whole day. Streaming from morning until evening. If the tapering caused a downturn, do you think it will be 10%? I think it will be probably between 10 or 20%. It wouldn't happen straight away, but I think months from now, Q1 probably, we could get like a 10 or 20% correction. I think in the short term, the tapering is not going to be that bad. It's going to be relatively mild. It's just, stocks are not going to go up every single day. Yeah, I find it super, super important to be holding stocks and cash, and to be hedging the long positions by shorting some companies out there that are very overpriced, in my opinion. Which I believe Tesla and Lucid are sitting at a quite high market cap relative to other stocks. So that I'm using those as a hedge. Snowflake, I think Snowflake is very expensive. I was thinking about maybe shorting Amazon, but I think Amazon already I don't think Amazon really moves that much though. Do you have a schedule for the next Q&A? Yeah, for the patrons out there, the next Q&A is going to be tomorrow, right? It's going to be tomorrow at around, I think it's 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, which means that we're going to be doing that 15 minutes after the second live stream. As soon as Jerome Powell announces the tapering tomorrow, the market's gonna. Yeah, I think the markets are probably gonna drop. The reason I think that the markets are going to drop if he announces a taper is because the markets are sitting at all-time highs. Like, we're not sitting 5% below all-time highs, or 3 or 2 or 1% below all-time. We're sitting at all-time highs. So if Jerome comes out and says, hey, so I believe we're going to taper and we're going to be buying less bonds, that's instantly going to have an impact on the markets. I don't think the market's going to crash. We might see the markets pull back like a percentage or two on that news tomorrow. If he doesn't taper, then obviously, then the stock just keeps moving upwards. I just wanted to see if we have earnings. Do we have any earnings? Let me know in the live chat. I'll be covering some of the earnings that people want to see. I think Uber is covering their own earnings report. Which company? Did Airbnb have earnings today, or did they already cover them? Did they already have them? No, the 4th of November. There's some time left. How is Tesla how is Tesla sitting at a market cap of 1.2 trillion? Please explain. That is just wild. Okay, so Uber's going to have earnings. I really hope DIDI is going to be reporting earnings, but so far it doesn't seem to be the case. Oh, Uber's going up. Let's go. Yeah, so apparently they had great earnings, at least from what I'm seeing. This is why I was saying that I liked Uber. One sec. At least from what I'm seeing here. Let me just share my screen right now. Right, let's see. Uber. It is going up about 1.5 or 1.2% in the after hours. 1.6%. Nice. Lyft is lifting upwards, up about 2.2%. They have a very small market cap. Look at that 3% move. Uber is beating Lyft for both riders and drivers. And why the hell is Uber stock doing nothing and Lyft is going up like a truck? Although, I mean, I have to say, Lyft's market cap is quite a bit smaller. Yeah, so regarding the earnings report for DIDI, nada. Nothing. Man, my eyes are tearing up here. Although DIDI did go up prior to the market closing. At least from what I've seen. Yeah, it went up like a percentage point real quick. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Lyft is going up 4.2%. And Uber, let's check Uber. Oh wow. Uber's going up about 2.4%. Gary, you should invest in a haircut. I think it's a good idea. BNGO up. I'll say that until I have like hair going down my shoulders. When is Pouncer earnings? When Pouncer earnings? I think it's going to be the 11th or 10th of November. Jesse says BNGO is up 12%. That's really cool. Yeah, I thought that they were doing pretty good today. Uber going up 2.5%. Lyft is going up 3.7 or 3.6%. And going, yeah, there you go. Going up quite a bit here. Right, so Uber's up 2.4%. Let's just check their quarterly report then. What a nice little web page that they have. Wait, how many trips? 16 million trips a day. Ooh. It's a lot. DIDI has a lot more, by the way, but I'm just saying. They say they have 101 million active users. DIDI has like 500 million active users. This is why I'm so bullish on DIDI. I'm very much bummed out by the fact that the Chinese government has been kind of sandbagging DIDI. Yeah, DIDI is just way better than Uber in my opinion. But I bought a lot of DIDI today, so 142 billion paid to drivers and delivery people. Cumulative, right? Cumulative. Let's see, financials. News and events. October 13th, events and presentations. November 4th. Uber Q3 earnings conference call. I can't find it. Is it Q2? Let me check. Press release. No, this is not it. It hasn't gotten released yet. At least not from what I'm seeing here. CNBC might picked up on the EPS or something, but so far I can't find anything just yet. Maybe if I click on here. Nope. Then let's go to Market Watch. And then we go to Uber. Uber's going up about 0.7%. Lyft, 3.7%. And then you have DIDI is kind of going flat. Zillow is going to cut their workforce by 25%. Are you not feeling well? I ate spicy food. That's why I'm sniffing a little bit. I had my dinner like 30 minutes ago. I'm so sorry. Still getting used to this time difference. I have been a bit of a bum recently. I have to admit this. Let's see, what else do we have? We have a couple stocks actually. Oh yeah, Zillow. Yeah. Ooh. I want to see what's happening with Zillow. What's happening there? Oh, obviously I need to get their ticker. Is it like this or something? No. Oh, it's just okay. Yeah, the stock is down 3 percentage points. I'm actually very curious how the quarterly earnings report looks like for Uber. I'm very, very curious about this one. I want to read it. It's going to take some time. Oh wow, Tesla's dropping. Oh my god. Tesla's dropping very fast. I saw my portfolio go up like $3,000. I was like, what the hell's happening there? Yeah, Tesla dropped like $15 or something. Oh yeah, there you go. um, I'm gonna check my portfolio. How much DIDI do I have? Instantly, Tesla drops like $15. Damn. Interesting one. I need to grab a tissue. Just one sec. All right. What is happening here? Yeah, I want to see what's happening here with Uber, whatever you want to call it. SEC filings, nothing. News. Uber completes the acquisition of Drizzly. The purchase consideration was approximately 1.1 billion. Consisting of approximately 18.7 million newly issued shares of Uber. Common stock plus cash. Oh, that's a lot of shares. Damn. It's a lot of shares. This was October 13th. What happened to the Uber shares? To the stock back on the 13th. Yeah, it kind of pulled back a little bit, then it skyrocketed to 48, and ever since it's been plummeting for like... No, it's been plummeting. Drizzly is the leading on-demand alcohol marketplace in North America. Available and designed to be fully compliant with local regulations in more than 1,600 cities across 33 U.S. states. Drizzly works with thousands of local retailers to provide consumers with an unmatched shopping experience and the largest selection of... To be fair, I mean, that's quite important for Uber Eats, right? So, yeah. They did pay a big bill for that one. 1.1 billion. So far, it seems like we haven't really gotten anything. I'm sure the EPS is already available, right? Annual report. No. Okay, Zillow suddenly spiked. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Uber is up about 1.7%. Lyft is up about 3.5%. What is happening with DIDI? Is DIDI reacting at all? Oh, wow, it's down. Okay. That's pretty wild. Why the hell is it down 0.5%? Oh. That's a little bit confusing. Given that both Uber and Lyft are actually going up. Right? Uber up about 2%. Lyft up about 3.7%. So a little bit weird. And Q3 hasn't been uploaded yet on here. Let me just open up Twitter then. Oh, Elon replied. Rediscussion of the objections to Tesla Giga Berlin has begun. Oh, that is not good. Oh, this is why. No. This might be why Tesla stock went down the past 20 minutes. It might be. But yeah, I already knew about this. I mean, the fact that Giga Berlin, the objections that are going on there, and it's going to take a long time for this to for that factory to come online and get to volume volume production. And you can see Elon Musk says, sigh. What they are doing is just not right. Right, so this is 18 minutes ago. What is the stock doing? Yeah, it's going down slightly. Nothing too much. Although the MACD is going down, though, I'm seeing that on TradingView. What you can see right now is probably Twitter. NEO has finally shown support. Yeah, I mean, NEO, I believe it's going to hit $60 very soon. By the end of this year, we're going to get very, very close. Volkswagen will not allow Giga Berlin. I don't think it's Volkswagen. I don't think so. I think Elon Musk is just not used to the fact. He's just not used to Europe. Europe is a little different than the United States. Yeah, Europe is a different place. So, what they're doing is not right. I want to see what they're saying here. Meanwhile, I'm also going to check if they have their quarterly report right here. Not yet. Tesla Giga Berlin again faces delays in Germany as public discussions have to be repeated. On Tuesday, the process of rediscussion of objections to the construction of the Giga Berlin kicked off. Oh, that's so sad. At the moment, everything indicates that Tesla will be able to obtain final approval because there's still not a single objection that would have serious grounds for refusal. Opponents of the factory building understand this and are simply trying to delay approval by directly harming the manufacturer. These organizations call themselves ecological, suggesting they're focused on the environment, yet they seek to delay the manufacturer of electric vehicles in building its factory, which will have a direct positive impact on the ecology of the region, the country, and the whole world. See, this sentence is kind of weird because Yet they seek to delay the manufacturer of electric vehicles in building its factory, which will have a direct positive impact. So, by delaying the manufacturer of electric vehicles, it's going to have a direct positive impact on ecology. And weird sentence, whatever. This only confirms that these organizations are exclusively against Tesla and not for improving the environment. Who wrote this? Ava Fox. This is very biased. This is in Tesla's favor, obviously, because the site is called Tasmanian. Probably, there you go. Model S. Yeah, okay, right. So this is very much in favor of Tesla. I don't know how it's actually going there. But it seems like Tesla is going to have a bit of a tough time in Europe, starting off with Giga Berlin. All right. Oh, wow, look at that. Lyft is going up 4 percentage points. Isn't that amazing? Uber 2.2%. And then we go to DIDI. Oh, oops. No. That's not what I wanted. My mistake. Which is up about 0.1%. Just joking. It's down 0.4%. Oh my god. I mean, it's down so much. Even in the past couple days, it's down so much. If you look okay, past month, it is down. Past 3 months, it is down. Past 6 months, it is down. I mean, this stock has been getting absolutely butchered, and I'm personally just waiting until we get some final news. You know, when the app is going to get back online. I think once the app gets back online, once the security measures are made, then I think DIDI is going to go up so incredibly fast. I mean, it is sitting at twice the market cap of Lyft, somewhere in that range, in that ballpark. And to put that into perspective, how much did DIDI make recently? So DIDI made, let's be very, very conservative. In 2018, DIDI made $20 billion, right? Just the revenue estimates, because they're not really profitable. Now, how much is Lyft making? How much is Lyft making? With, Lyft has a market cap of $15.5 billion, which is, I think, a little bit less than half of DIDI. Lyft is making, let's see, Lyft is making $2.4 billion. So you're telling me, that, let's be very generous, right? Let's say that Lyft is making $3.6 billion. You're telling me that DIDI is worth less than twice Lyft, right? So if we would just double these numbers, or even triple these numbers, quadruple these numbers, and DIDI is just not on that same tier. It's just a little silly. Well, that was a really bad example, but I think a better example is probably Uber. Uber makes like 10 billion or 13 billion, sitting at like 80 billion market cap. Right here. 85 billion market cap, and then you take a look at the financials. They made about $11.1 billion and $13 billion. Let's just say they made $13 billion. DIDI makes $20 billion in revs. They've got way more customers. And then you have DIDI sitting at, I think it's less than half the market cap of Uber. Which I just don't think that is fair. I think it's just not fair. I'm going to have a quick look. Yeah, DIDI is not, it is not going anywhere right now. I'm going to check if Uber is reporting earnings here, or, at least give us a press release. Seems like that is not the case. Oh, well, I mean, I tried. Yeah, Dara. I really like that guy. Do I know any of these people from other companies? Oh, I would have to look at the board, right? No, I don't think so. Oh, I got a reminder. That means I probably have to go now. Yeah, I wanted to see whether how their earnings were looking like. Maybe they reported it on Twitter, or somebody reported it on Twitter. Maybe that is the case. Nope. Uber earnings, come on. Something. Lyft posts second straight adjusted EBITDA profit. Right, but I want to see the quarterly report, their earnings report, which they always are so late with on their website. DIDI is up slightly again. They report on Thursday. I don't think so. Oh my god. What? Are you kidding me? I am not on point today. I thought both Lyft and Uber were reporting today. Oh, that's really bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I remember there was this little earnings picture for both Lyft and Uber. I remember Uber being on Thursday. I don't know why I was waiting, but oh well. It seems like, Lyft reported earnings and Uber's November 4th, which is, it's whatever. Yeah, it would be nice if Lyft and Uber would report it at the same time. Yeah, we can't have that, right? I thought DIDI was going to be reporting today as well. Did not happen. So it's a little painful. Yeah, I was a little confused as well because, when Uber started moving upwards, along with Lyft, I was like, okay, so they're both reporting earnings. Usually, you don't see the stock going up 2% in the after hours unless something is happening. So apparently what's happening is because Lyft is reporting good earnings, Uber's stock is going up in the after hours, but Uber's going to report earnings in 2 more days. That's fine by me. I'm not going to wait. I'm not too interested in Lyft right now. Apparently they're a bit more profitable. I'm very curious about Uber. Uber also has a part in DIDI, so that's why I'm extra curious on what's happening with Uber. I was like, what the hell are you looking for? Yeah, I don't know. See, Nasdaq is. Oh no, I'm so sleepy. Who's reporting earnings today? Let me just. Companies reporting earnings. Pfizer, T-Mobile, AMG. Okay, so DIDI's not even on there. And so isn't Lyft. Why is Lyft not on here? That's weird. Do they not cover this? Lyft. Yeah, Lyft had earnings today. Lyft is up 4%. So that's kind of weird. Yeah, Lyft is not on here. Not on this list. From what I've seen. Oh, you can scroll. Okay, fair. Yeah, I don't know. I was looking at this. I was like, I'm able to scroll, right? But you have to put your mouse here and then scroll. Oh well. Bit of a UI thing. Pfizer one is actually quite interesting. What happened to Pfizer? Uber's going up quite a bit right now, by the way. 2.7%. I wonder if that is having an impact on DIDI. Oh, yeah, it is. DIDI's going up by 0.25 percentage points. And then you have Pfizer. Oh, that's not the ticker. I always get that wrong. Pfizer, which is... Okay, so Pfizer isn't really going anywhere in the after hours. I think they probably didn't report earnings just quite yet. I'm actually wondering what T-Mobile is doing, or T-Mobile. Okay, so T-Mobile's up about a percentage point. Activision Blizzard. Oh, up 3.1%. Okay. Looks like a lot of these earnings are pretty good. Looking at the reactions that people are having on these. Ferrari could be very interesting as well, if we can find it. Really nice ticker. Yeah, I don't think they've quite reported anything yet. Match Group. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I like me some Tinder. Match Group. That should be it. They haven't reported yet, have they? I'm curious about this one. It's actually down, isn't it? Looks like it's down. Yeah, down 5.6%. Oh, that's really interesting. Oh, Bed Bath Beyond. BBBY. Is that one jumping? Let me check that one out. Hold up. Match Group is going down. That's an interesting one. That is literally, this is like, this is the stock of, that comprises just dating. This is the dating stock. They own so many dating apps. They own Tinder, OkCupid. They don't own Bumble, but they own like the majority of dating apps. So if they're doing worse, that basically means that people are probably going out and about instead of on the dating apps. Which makes sense, right? We had a massive rise. Have we had a massive rise? Let me check. 3 years. Yeah, so the stock has been going up since COVID, pretty much. Which makes sense. Right? A lot of people have been dating online. And that's what you get, right? But yeah, the stock is going down right now. I don't want to check their earnings really. I'm not really that interested. Let's see. What else do we have? Yeah, we already checked Zillow. I think Zillow bounced back up. BBBYD. We can find that one. Was it this or? I have no idea. I'm so bad at this. What's the ticker again? Oh, sorry. BBBY. Just type it in right now. Yeah, I don't really like Match. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Whoa. That is crazy. Oh my. Oof. That is nutty. That is so nutty. Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, they have a small market cap, so I guess it does make sense that it's jumping like that. That is crazy. I mean, I'm actually quite curious. Like, what happened? Something must have happened, right? Let me check Twitter. Bed Bath and Beyond. Stocks buy... Okay, so stock buybacks. What? Oh, they're going to buy back their stock. Oh, okay. I guess that's the reason why the stock's up then. It's a big 60% spike. Holy moly. 67%. It's going to keep moving upwards because the company's going to buy back their own shares. So they might buy back at like 28 or $30. Let's see. Rental cars. Avis is 200% up. Are you kidding me? Really? Wasn't it up like 500% though? Avis? Oh. Oh, this one. Yeah, it was up huge. It's so nutty. This company, man. People were just buying for the sake of buying at this point. There you go, Lyft. Hello Fresh. I think they're doing pretty good. Or at least today they were. I want to check the after hours. Nah. No information. Under Armour. I think they already reported, right? I think they already did. Under Armour. Yeah, there you go. Under Armour stock soars after quarterly results beat expectations. Okay. We already have that one. Herbalife, meh. Don't really care about that one. Netlist. Oh yeah, Netlist already reported. Was that it? Oh. Okay. Let's see. Tomorrow. What do we get tomorrow? Obviously, Uber's going to be in 2 days from now. Look at that. That's an Hertz ad. It's kind of funny. BMW is going to have earnings. State Bank of India. Let me just scroll all the way down. American Kuma Mining Corp. Yeah, I think the majority of like the interesting ones have already been. We already have those, and it seems like. Yeah, nothing too interesting. Although I saw a couple that were quite nice, you know, Zymergen and Team viewer. Oh, that's pretty cool. Where was that one? Oh, yeah, there you go. Pfizer India. Fastly is going to report earnings tomorrow. That's cool. What's Fastly doing right now? Right before earnings. Fastly. Fastly, oh boy. Fastly, the stock is down so much. Oh, Lyft is up like 6% right now because of good earnings. Damn, that is amazing. Up 5.6%, and then you have Uber going up almost 4 percentage points. I told you guys, like, Uber was sitting quite nice at 42. I bought a little bit of Uber today. Very happy about that. What else do we have? Oh yeah, DIDI should be going up too. No, it's not going up. It's not going up right now. Biden promises decision fairly quickly on Powell renomination. More Fed picks. I think Jerome Powell's gonna probably stay. He's, in my opinion, very much a moderate in some sense, but he's a Republican. I think the Republicans chose him. I don't know. Is he a Republican, or did the Republicans choose him? Is Jerome Powell a Republican? Worst question ever. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that was it for now. That was it. Make sure you check out the Patreon. The Patreon link is down below in the description. Like I said, there's going to be another stock pick article today, and we've had the buy and sell signals very recently. You can see them right here. Some of the buy and sell signals that we've had so far. Most of them have been doing pretty well. We have the Q&A coming up tomorrow, which I'll be posting the link for tomorrow today. So the newsletter, I'm going to be updating the newsletter right before the tapering. We've got some articles right here as well. Most of them have been going up a lot, right? Neo especially has gone up a lot. Palantir's gone up a lot. Virgin Galactic has gone up a lot. Facebook, so I'm very happy about that. Wrote about these companies recently. Netlist is one of the companies that I wrote recently about. Although obviously it dropped a little bit on earnings. I think for the coming months, Netlist is going to be quite interesting. So yeah, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is down below in the description. Support me on Patreon. And, sign up, 15% discount on an annual basis with many of these benefits listed down below. You can see how many patrons we have, and we're working towards minimum wage, which is, I think that's a very nice goal. So hopefully we're going to get there one day. Yeah, check it out. I think that's it for now. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully you'll be able to stream the whole thing. Right, I'm going to be streaming the whole day tomorrow because we hit 28,000 subscribers, which is awesome. So we're going to be streaming the whole day tomorrow. It's going to be great. All right, hit that like button. Thank you for 28,000 subs. Hit the notification bell. Check out the social media. We have Instagram. We've got the Twitter. All of it is down below. Oh, and we also have a Discord community. So also make sure you check that out. Check out the Patreon. Support me there. I'll see you tomorrow.